Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4:30 a.m. At 3:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Durant to near German Valley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvedere, Loves Park, McChesney Park, South Beloit, Brockton, Rockford Airport, Roscoe, Butler Grove, Byron, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Kirkland, Durand, Capron, Kingston, Stillman Valley, Timberlane, and Caledonia. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 110 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 50 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special